My name is Rajkaran Singh. I am an assistant professor with Programming 2. My areas of interest are programming as well as competitive programming. That's about me. I have been an instructor for, I would say, a mentor for coding contests. Well, competitive programming is a very fulfilling and rewarding, I would say, pursuit. I started off solving problems on competitive programming websites like HackerRank, like LeetCode a couple of years ago. And the satisfaction that you get on solving this problem is something that I cannot put in words, right? So, I solved a couple of thousand problems on various competitive programming websites. If I have to give more insight, this has shaped me as a person. My thought process is more clearer, and to be very honest, I started this because I noticed a lot of product-based companies coming into our campus and asking the same questions to our students. So in order to give them a better traction on how to crack these problems is how I began my foray into competitive coding. We are running a few special courses which are targeted towards competitive coding itself. So one of the courses that I personally teach is Prelude to competitive coding. So we are trying to capture the essence of competitive programming with this course. So the course basically centers, it's developed on building a problem solving approach to solve those problems which are asked in product-based companies like Amazon, Facebook. Facebook is no longer Facebook, it's Meta now. So Netflix, so FANG companies. Well, the most satisfying, or I would say gratifying moment is when, after teaching this course, I ran into one of my students. He had come back for convocation and he told me that he's working in Amazon as a software development engineer, SDE second level. Talking to him, he was very enthusiastic about the course that we had run for this. He said that this course laid down the foundation to him getting placed there. So this gave me more enthusiasm, and I tried to deliver my best in the other courses that we are running for the juniors, that is. Whether it is programming, whether it is competitive coding, number one thing that you need to do if you want to succeed, you should have an impeccable logic. So in order to solve all these programming languages, what we are trying right now is the juniors, they are being put through a curriculum wherein they would be exposed to an online judge. We are focusing on the logic building, the logic development. So they will solve smaller problems gradually. Once they have enough knowledge about data structures and algorithms, we are putting them through a little heavier curriculum, so bigger problems to solve. We emphasize on time complexity as well as space complexity so that they can optimize the brute force solutions that they have. So this is what we are trying to adopt, including online judges like IMNEO. This is one of the platforms we engage. Some of the online judges that we have integrated in our curriculum include HackerRank. So that's what we are trying to do. So soft skills are a very important and essential part of the overall development of an individual. Technical skills can get you only that far. It can get a foot in the door, but you'll not be able to get inside. You'll not be able to crack a good position. Even if you are employed, you'll not be able to grow further within the organization without soft skills. So what we try to do is we have verbal ability courses, the professional enhancement courses that are available. There are a few refreshers that we as a university provide them, and from time to time within our sessions we keep on emphasizing the importance of soft skills. So AI, that is the buzzword today. There are a lot of challenges with AI, especially with students taking a shortcut approach to solving problems. AI as a tool If you use it for learning, it's your buddy, and if you're going to go the other way, initially it may seem like a buddy, but it is going to do you damage in the long run. So we try to counsel the students upon the good effects and bad effects of the use of AI tools in the technology. So a few of the tools like Harpa AI, like Monica, this is the students' favorites. So we try to counsel them that this is where you should go with this AI. You should use it as your buddy, you should use it as your guide, you should use it to solve the problems, to know more about the problem, to know more about the technology. But when it really comes down to solving, that is something that you have to do. Because if the AI is going to give you a solution, then why would an employer hire you in the first place? So this is what we try to counsel and inculcate in our students. So AI is going to be a disruptive industry. The moment it hits, you could see a lot of traction with the chip makers. So you could see a lot of things coming in with even our tech joints moving that way. Infosys, TCS, Wipro, they are well placed to tap not only the SAP potential but also the AI potential. So once it comes down, it's going to impact everyone in a big way. Programming in turn will get affected. So this is my personal opinion. What would happen is whatever is run-of-the-mill stuff, that is something that everyone can write, that code is going to get eliminated. But it is still essential from a learning perspective. So what we should do is, what we try to teach our students is that if you want to get ahead of the curve, if you want to stay aloft in this situation where every job is going to get impacted by the AI, you should try to go to the next level, increase your thought process, go to the next level of problem solving, try to solve problems which are beyond this current level. So that's how we can tackle this.